Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Lita. Please turn on your videos. Adya, also turn on your video, beta. Okay. So yesterday we had started with some sums, right? We had done all the topics: addition, subtraction, additive inverse, modulus, right? So let's do some more practice sums so that whatever confusion you have regarding positive and negative signs, that will be cleared by doing more and more sums. Okay, beta? I'm sharing the screen now.
Ma'am, can you actually explain additive inverse again?
What happened, beta?
Ma'am, can you explain additive inverse again?
Explain what? Just be loud.
Additive inverse.
Additive inverse. Okay, I'll do that. Beta. I'm just looking whether we have something left in this part from the book. Is there any topic that we have left? So we must cover that also. No? This part is left. Exercise 6.3. We'll do this today. Okay. Before this, I'll tell you what is additive inverse. Okay. Here also we have done additive inverse. Okay, now see. The additive, when we talk about additive inverse, no, suppose I have this number 6 here, minus 6. So additive inverse, inverse means, what do you mean by inverse? Inverse means opposite. You can write down in your notebook. Inverse means opposite. Additive means to add. Okay, additive means to add. So when we collectively call this additive inverse means to add opposite. To add opposite, it becomes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adya, you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Please pay attention, okay? Have you gone through the previous classes? Adya?
Yeah, ma'am. 2 videos.
Okay. Okay, if you still have something left, then please go through them and try to understand what we are doing in the class also. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please write this. Additive inverse means when we collectively use this word additive inverse, it means to add opposite. Now, for example, suppose I have number 7. Additive inverse of 7 will be to add opposite. Opposite of plus 7 is minus 7 and I'm adding it. Is it? I'm adding minus 7 to this. You understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is to add. This is opposite of 7. Right? So that becomes plus into minus is minus. So 7 minus 7, which is 0. You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's take another example. Now suppose I have number -8. What is the opposite of -8?
Ma'am, +8.
+8. Okay. Now +8 means now I want to make the additive inverse of this. Additive inverse means to add opposite. Now this is the opposite of this. Now I have to add this to -8. I have to, this is -8. I have to add +8 to -8. You get it?
0.
So that is plus into plus is plus only. So I'll write -8 as it is. Plus into plus is plus and 8. So it becomes 0. You get it? So when we come to the conclusion, if we solve so many sums like this, we'll do more. Plus -2. So what is the opposite of -2?
Positive. +2.
+2, is it? So I have to add +2 to this is +2, which is the opposite of this. Now I have to add also, no? So this becomes -2 and plus is plus only. And this becomes 0. So even if we do so many sums, no, our answer will always come 0 only. So this means additive inverse is that number by which we add, we get 0. Okay? Additive inverse is that number with which we add the number, we get 0. Are you understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Meena, Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give you one sums on this so that I get to know whether you have understood or not. Okay. First is Adya. Adya, tell me.
Ma'am, +6.
+6. I have to do what? +6 is the opposite of this. No, what will I do now? I will write plus. I have to add the opposite of this, no, and +6 plus +6. Is it? What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 0.
Very good. Okay, now if my answer question is 3, Adya, tell me now.
-3.
So I have to plus, -3 is the opposite of +3, but I have to add it because I'm calling it additive inverse. Additive inverse means to add opposite. So my plus of -3. Is it? Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Okay, to add opposite. Additive inverse means to add opposite. So to add, you told me the opposite of this. So opposite of 3 is minus of 3. You told me that, but now we have to add also, no? Okay, so this is the add. Okay, we are adding with the opposite of this. Right? You get it?
Yes, ma'am. I get
So
it.
now plus into minus is what, Adya? Plus into minus is what? The sign rule. What is plus into minus?
Ma'am, minus.
Minus. So we have 3 plus into minus becomes -3. So 3 minus 3 is what? What is 3 minus 3?
Ma'am, 3 minus 3 is equals to? Ma'am, 0.
Okay, you get it? Okay, now next turn is Neha's. Neha, if I take number -4, okay, tell me now what will I do?
So, ma'am, the opposite of -4 is 4.
Minus plus opposite is 4. And in between, I'll put add sign. Is it? Minus into plus is plus only. -4 plus 4. What will I get? 0. Very good. Okay, now tell me not minus 10. Okay, tell me this is number 10. What will I write now?
Ma'am, the opposite of 10 is -10, so we add.
And we add. Okay. And what will be the answer?
Plus and minus will be minus.
Plus and minus becomes minus,
Yes.
and this will be 0. Very good. Okay, you get it? Okay, I'm coming to this. Let's do this example. Subtract -4 from -10. Now, whenever we are asked, we are given some number, this number from this number. That means this number has to be written in front. Yes. So that means -10 here, minus of 2. Okay. This number we have to subtract from -10. Like suppose if I write subtract 2 from 5. So what do? I write 5 first and then I put subtract sign and then I write 2 like this. So same way subtract -4 from -10. So I wrote -10 first, then I put subtracted sign and then I wrote -4. You understood this much? Get it? Okay. Then my next step is -10 and here I have minus and minuses. Minus into minus is
Yes.
plus. Okay. Yes, Neha, Adya, minus and minus becomes plus 4 here. Now what will I do? I have one number with negative sign, one number with positive sign. So what will I do?
Subtraction.
Very good. I will do subtraction. So what will I subtract? 4 from 10. Yes. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And sign of which number?
The bigger number.
Bigger number. Sign of bigger number is minus. So that's my answer, -6. You get it? Are you understanding this? Neha?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Adya? Adya, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see next example also here. Okay, subtract +3 from -3. Okay, whatever number I am written here from this, so that number has to be written in front. So that's -3. And what I have to subtract, then I will put subtract sign. What I have to subtract from here, that's +3 I have to subtract. So it will be written like this. Okay. Now tell me, I will drop down -3 as it is. Now I have two signs here, minus into plus. Minus into plus is what?
Minus.
Minus and 3 as it is. So now you can see I have two numbers with same sign. So what will I do?
Ma'am, we add.
We add. Okay, when we have same signs together, what do?
We add.
We add. Okay, Adya, we add
Yes, ma'am.
the sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? Both are equal.
Yes.
Is it? So we'll put
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Both
Both
are
are
equal.
equal, no? So we'll put one sign. Right? You get it? So the answer is -6. Okay, now let's do this also. Now please, you will do this in your notebooks. 35 minus 20. Do it in your notebook and give me the answer. Both of you, please.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to do all these sums. Okay, I'll ask each one of you. Okay. Tell me the first answer. Neha will tell me. Neha, tell me the first answer.
Ma'am, 15.
50. Good. Adya, tell me the next answer. Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm doing
Adya.
this.
Neha, you tell me the C part. C question.
Ma'am, -3.
Minus 15 plus 18. So how much is that?
Ma'am,
How much is the answer?
-3.
Minus 3. Minus 3. This became minus and minus plus 18 minus 13. So this will be plus 3. Is it? How can you say that? Minus 15
Ma'am, B1 minus 18.
minus 3. Very good. Okay, so this is, look here, minus and minus became plus. So I have written 18 here. Now I have two numbers with different signs. So that means I'll do subtraction. 18 minus 15 is 3. And sign of the bigger number. Bigger number here is 18. Okay, you have to see this part. And so I'll put 18. You don't have to see the previous step. That's gone now. Now this is your fresh new step. Okay?
Yes.
Like this. I'll show you here. So this becomes minus 15 plus 18. Now 18 minus 15 is 3, sign of the bigger number. So here you have to see this sign in this step. This is the previous step, no? So you don't have to take the sign from here. Now 18 sign is changed to plus. Right? You get it? It's changed to plus now. So you will see this sign. Okay.
Yes.
Next, Adya, tell me this D bit.
Ma'am, D1 minus 33.
Minus 32. Okay. Good. Minus
No,
30.
ma'am, 33.
Yes. Okay, Neha, tell me this.
Ma'am, I got positive 35.
Positive 35. Right? Minus and minus becomes plus. So 23 plus 12 is 35. So that's plus 35. Okay, tell me this, Adya. Adya, tell me this. Neha, you also do.
Ma'am, I get it.
Okay, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I got -8.
This is -8. -8 you are saying. See, this sign will become positive, no? This sign will become positive. Here it will be minus 32 and plus 40. So 40 minus 32 will be 8. And sign of the bigger number will be positive. Okay, again the same type of sum. So you don't have to see this sign. You have to see sign in this step. Okay? Just the step which is prior to the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, see the fill in the blanks with greater, lesser, and equal to signs. Now, please find out this. Tell me what is this minus 3 plus minus 6 is how much?
Ma'am, -9.
Minus 9. So, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Okay. What is this? Do it in your notebook and tell me. You don't have to think. You have notebooks with you. Quickly do it and tell. Adya, be prepared for the next one. Okay. Adya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared for the next one.
Ma'am, I got +3.
Positive 3. Okay, so this is 6 minus 3, so that's positive 3. Okay. So now which is less, which sign I will put here? Greater, lesser, or equal to? It's
Mean
minus
lesser.
9 and 3 here, positive 3.
Mean lesser.
So that means I will put this sign. No? 3 is greater. So the mouth of this sign will be open towards 3.
Yes.
We call it alligator's mouth. So alligator's mouth will be open towards the greater number. Okay. Now Adya, it's your turn now. Adya, tell me what will you get here? Minus 21 minus of 10.
Ma'am, minus 21 minus 10 is equals to 11, ma'am. Minus 11.
Minus 11. Good. Okay. And what will you get this side? Minus 31 plus minus 11.
Ma'am, minus 42.
Minus 42. Good. Okay, now which sign I will put here? Minus. I have now minus 11 here and minus 42 here. So which number is greater, which is lesser?
Minus 11, ma'am.
Minus 11. Okay, so alligator's mouth will be open towards the bigger number. You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Adya, tell me the next. 45 minus 11.
Ma'am, minus 56.
Minus 56. See here, 45 plus 11. This number will become like this.
Ma'am, plus 56.
That's plus 56. Okay, tell me about this one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
50.
yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, say. Say fast.
ma'am, plus 52.
See 7 minus 4. Plus into minus is minus, no? So
Yes.
57 minus 4 is how much?
Minus 52.
57 minus 4. Plus into minus will become minus. So 57 minus 4 is how much? How much is that? Yes, hurry up, tell me. Hello, I've written the answer also. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't take so much time. You quickly tell me the answer. 57 minus 4 is how much?
Ma'am, 57 minus 4. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 53.
So now which number is greater here? One side you have 56 and other side you have 53.
Ma'am, 56.
Okay. Adya, tell me this. Adya, tell me this. Minus 25 minus 42.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do it, calculate in your notebook and tell me the answer. No need to think. Quickly do the calculation in the notebook. Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Plus 17, ma'am.
Plus 17. Why are you taking so much time, Neha? Tell me this. Neha, tell me this.
Yes, ma'am.
Why the videos are off? Yes, tell me this.
Ma'am, it's 17 too.
Minus 42 minus minus becomes plus. Like this. This is now minus 17. You get it? Sign of the bigger number. Okay. So what will be the sign here? This side it is plus 17 and this side minus 17. Which number is greater?
Ma'am, plus 17.
Plus 17 was greater. Okay. Are you still finding it difficult after so many days, children? So then why you are not giving prompt answers? Why are you taking so much time? Now it should be on your tips. Sign rules. We have done every day. We are doing so many practice sums. Whenever we have two same signs together, we do addition. Whenever we have two negative signs together, we do addition. Whenever we have two different signs, we do subtraction. Whenever we have two different signs together, we do subtraction. It should be on your fingertips. Are you still finding it difficult? Yes, tell me. And I'm giving you so many worksheets for homework also. You're telling me, yes, ma'am, we have that. And you're giving me the answers also. You're sending your homeworks also to me. So you should give prompt answers. Okay, minus 8 plus, what will you add here so that you get 0?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Okay, so what was this concept? What was this concept called? This property we studied? Just now we studied
Ma'am, additive.
additive inverse. Okay, whenever you add with the inverse of this, add with the opposite of this, you get 0. So that property is called additive inverse. Okay, what will I write here? Adya will tell me.
Ma'am, minus 13.
Minus 13. Okay. Neha, what will come here?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Adya, tell me what will I write here? So that I get minus 12 answer. Neha, you tell me what will I write here? So
Ma'am,
that
minus 8.
huh?
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Okay. How do you get minus 8? By subtracting minus 4 from minus 12. Okay. Okay. Adya, what will I write here?
Ma'am, plus 5.
Plus 5. Okay. Yes. Next one. Please do this in your notebooks. First, I'll take answers from you. Be fast, the class time is getting over.
Ma'am, I'm done with the first one.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done with the first one.
Okay. Tell me the first answer.
Negative 24.
Negative 27.
Ma'am, 24.
24. Okay. This is minus 7 minus. Okay, to the next one, I'll check. Okay, so this is minus 15 plus 25. This is how do you get minus 24? This is coming 10. The minus and minus became plus here, no? And you had minus 7 minus 8. So minus 7 and minus 8 is 7 plus 8 is 15 and sign of the bigger number and you have plus 25. Okay, so 25 minus 15 is 10, sign of the bigger number. So that's plus 10. Do it carefully. Adya, tell me the next answer. Tell me the next answer. I will add all the negative numbers together. Minus 13, minus 8 and minus 1. So this will give me
Ma'am, plus 10.
yes, this will give me 22, so that's plus 10. Okay. Be fast now, Neha. Minus 7, minus 8, and minus 90. So that means your answer will be minus. So 8
Ma'am,
plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 90 is
Ma'am, I'm done. Negative
105.
105.
That's negative 105.
Yes.
Now this one, look here, 50 and minus minus is plus. So 50 plus 40, then minus minus is again plus. This is 40, then again plus. That's 2. So 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus 2 is 92. You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do a lot of practice of this. Okay? And don't take so much time in doing the sums. You have to be very prompt in your answers. Okay? That's why I'm giving you so many worksheets so that you practice a lot. Right, children? And that also, your accuracy also matters. Doing fast is not the only thing. Your answers should be accurate also. Should give correct answers. Okay, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
Bye, beta.